Okay folks, we have an idea. We want to do a video where we want to see who our dog likes better. Anthony, who do you think it's going to be?
Me.
No, it's definitely going to be me. Here's the first test. Stewie! Stewie, come down!
So you're saying if I can get him to come downstairs,
If you get 1 point.
then I get a point?
Stewie!
Okay, it's my turn. Ready? He didn't come down for you.
He didn't.
Stewie! Where's Mom?
That's not fair!
Where's Mommy? Is Mommy down here? Stewie want cookie?
No, you can't do that! You can't! That's not fair! That's not fair! That's not fair! You can't! He used Mom!
I know.
Yes.
Come here.
You can't!
Come here.
I didn't say you could offer him a cookie! Stu!
Hi.
That's not fair! Next test is to see who Stewie will go to when they call, alright? Ready? Come here, Stu! Come here, buddy!
Stewie.
Come on, Stu!
Come here.
Come on, Stu!
Stewie.
Stewie!
Hey, Stu.
Stu?
Stu.
Stewie, come here, buddy! Come here!
Do you have my tree?
No! You can't!
You come right here. You got a tree.
Come here,
I have it, Stewie. What do I have?
Stewie! Stewie! You see Stu? You look at Stu?
Do I want your baby?
No, you can't use a toy! Stu! Do you want a bone? Come on! He wants nothing to do with us. Stewie!
I offer you a treat.
Stewie! This is hopeless. Stu! Come on! Come on!
Wait, hold
Come
on.
on! Come on!
No,
Come on,
no,
Stewie!
no,
Stewie,
no,
come here!
no.
Come here! Yes! I win!
No.
I win! Come on up! Come on! Sit!
That
Paw.
was so mean.
Other paw.
He wants a treat.
Oh, another
He
paw!
wants a treat. You have to give him a treat
I have to
now.
now.
That was so mean. Why would you do that to him?
We're not supposed to use them. Here's a meatball.
Stu, who's here? Hi, lick the floor. Lay down. Lay down and lick the floor.
That's not.
Look to the right. Look down. Lick the floor. Oh. Hi. Stewie, lay down.
What?
Perfect. Now stay there.
What?
I think I win.
What? You're kidding me.
I think that's fair.
That's not fair.
I'm pretty sure I just won.
Alright, so now we're gonna do a tiebreaker because I don't know who really won the last one. You guys say in the comments who won the last test of tricks. But now we're gonna see how many ball throws can he get out of 5. Okay? Let's see. Best out of 5. 1!
No, Stu?
Stu.
What happened?
Stu, it was very bad. And 2. Yay! 3. Yay! 4. Oh, so I'm 2 for 4. 5. Oh, I'm 2 out of 5.
Focus, okay? You got this. This is your time to shine. Here we go, ready? Yay!
That is 1.
There's 1. Number 2. Yay!
Oh, no!
Yay! So if I get the next one, I win?
You win this challenge.
Be careful.
Oh, sweet God! Oh, Stu! He gave up! He gave up!
One more! Hi! Oh!
That's it. We have a guest. It is a tie. We each got 2. And this is it. It is officially a tie. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I'm so sorry.
So you guys have to see, we tied on...
All of them. No, I win! Because I got him to do the third one. All the tricks.
You called him down.
I won.
No, I won the tricks.
I won.
You guys have to let us know in the comments below who won that. Who do you think Stewie likes better based on those 4 skills and tests? So you guys let us know in the comments below. We are pre-filming because Anthony is all around the country in LA and stuff. So I hope you guys really like this video. I love this little puppy, and we will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye. Hi, puppy. Do you like your little baby? Come here. Give me the baby. Dun, 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 dun.